Imagine finding a practice that could help you manage stress, improve focus, and feel more at peace. Meditation is that practice. But let's be real. It's not starting that's hard. It's sticking with it. Today, we're diving into the SU-M-Med model, a research-backed framework that shows how to turn meditation into a habit that lasts for life. We've all been there. You plan to meditate, but then life happens. Maybe you scroll on Instagram, or that email you forgot about steals your time. This is what psychologists call the intention-action gap. You want to meditate, but taking action feels impossible. The problem is, we think habits will just magically form. But in reality, they need a structure and a plan. That's where the SU-MED model comes in. The SU-MED model, or Sussex Mindfulness Meditation model, is a combination of two powerful psychological theories: stage theories and social cognitive theories. Stage theories focus on progression. Imagine leveling up in a game. Level 1 is pre-intention, where you're just thinking, I should meditate someday. Level 2 is preparation. You download an app or set a reminder. Level 3 is action. You actually sit down to meditate. And level 4 is maintenance, where it becomes as natural as brushing your teeth. Social cognitive theories focus on mindset and environment, basically what keeps you going. 3 ideas make this work. 1. Outcome expectancies. If you believe meditation will help you feel calmer or sleep better, you're more likely to do it. 2. Self-efficacy. Confidence is key. Start with just 1 or 2 minutes so you feel successful. 3. Planning. The clearer your plan, the less effort it takes. For example, meditate right after your morning coffee. It's that simple. Now let's learn how to apply the SU-MED model. Step 1. Pre-intention. Think about why meditation matters to you. Maybe it's better focus or less stress. Step 2. Preparation. Set a small goal, like meditating for 2 minutes, and pair it with a daily trigger, like right after breakfast. Step 3. Action. Just do it. Don't worry about perfection. Even 1 deep breath counts. Step 4. Maintenance. Track your progress and reward yourself, like noticing how calm you feel after meditating. The SU-MED model is your roadmap to making meditation a habit that sticks. So, are you ready to take the first step? Start small, stay consistent, and let meditation transform your life. If this video inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a moment of calm.